Ooh, we got a rare Anivia, and we got our first alt art, which is a Yasuo. So that is really, really nice. Oh my gosh. The texturing on these cards is insane. Awesome. Oh, yes. A Time Warp. This card is really good. It lets you take another turn. So, oh my gosh, I'm so happy about that. It's really awesome. So first epic of the box, and it's a really, really good one. Yes, we got a Kaisa legend. So if we were gonna get a legend, this is probably one of the best, or if not the best legend to get because this is heavily, heavily played. It's won multiple regional tournaments already in China. So very, very happy to hit that.